Bad habits can often feel like an anchor, holding us back from reaching our full potential. Join us as we explore Rahul's journey of overcoming his bad habits and transforming his life. This story will show how thinking about life's biggest challenges and creating a productive routine can lead to self-improvement. Another chaotic morning. Rahul, is everything okay? You seem really stressed out lately. I've been having a hard time managing my tasks, Meera. I know I have some bad habits like procrastination and disorganization, but I don't know where to start. Rahul's first step towards overcoming his bad habits is recognizing the problem. Acknowledging that change is needed is the foundation for self-improvement. Rahul, I used to have bad habits too. They affected my health and work. It wasn't until I realized the long-term impact on my life that I decided to change. Understanding the impact of bad habits is crucial. They don't just affect your present, but can also hinder your future. Rahul begins to see the bigger picture and how his habits are holding him back. Persist. To overcome bad habits, setting clear, realistic goals is essential. Rahul decides to start small, aiming to improve one habit at a time. I'll start by organizing my workspace and creating a daily schedule. By breaking down his goals into manageable steps, Rahul makes the process less overwhelming and more achievable. Rahul meets his old friend Arjun, who has recently transformed his life by overcoming similar issues. S1. Rahul, having a support system is key. When I decided to change my habits, I joined a local community group. It kept me accountable and motivated. Rahul learns that seeking support from friends, family, or even community groups can provide encouragement and accountability. He decides to share his goals with his close friends and family. Rahul sets up a new morning routine. He starts his day with exercise, a healthy breakfast, and a to-do list for work. This new routine is really helping me stay on track. Creating a productive routine helps in staying busy and focused. Rahul realizes that a structured day leaves little room for procrastination and other bad habits. A well-planned routine not only keeps you busy, but also fosters a sense of accomplishment, motivating you to maintain positive changes. Rahul, think about the biggest challenges awaiting you in life. Overcoming bad habits now will prepare you to face those challenges with confidence. S1. Thinking about future challenges provides a strong motivation to change. Rahul envisions the professional and personal hurdles he might face and understands the importance of self-discipline and good habits. Change takes time. I need to be patient and consistent. Overcoming bad habits is a journey, not a destination. Rahul learns that staying consistent and being patient with himself is key to long-term success. Thank you all for your support. This journey has been challenging, but your encouragement has made a huge difference. Celebrating progress, no matter how small, boosts morale and reinforces positive behavior. Rahul's support system joins him in celebrating his achievements, motivating him to keep going. Bad habits can be overcome with determination, support, and a clear plan. Believe in yourself and take it one step at a time. Rahul's journey inspires others to start their own path to self-improvement. By sharing his story, he contributes to a positive cycle of change in his community. Overcoming bad habits is a transformative journey that requires self-awareness, a clear plan, support, and patience. Rahul's story teaches us that by addressing our biggest challenges and creating productive routines, we can unlock our full potential and lead a fulfilling life.